Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is a delicious creamy restaurant style chicken kofta curry or meatball curry, and I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. So stick around right till the end of the video for the full recipe and let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's get started. So here I've got my turmeric, I've got some coriander powder, cumin, salt, ginger and garlic paste, some onions, fresh green chilies to your taste, coriander, fresh coriander, and some breadcrumbs. We're going to give this a good mix. This needs some more breadcrumbs. And we're just going to make these into little balls. Okay, so there you have it. My meatballs are all nice and ready. I'm going to pop this in the fridge for half an hour and then we're going to fry them. So let's start by heating up our pan and adding our oil. Let that oil heat up. So once the oil is heated up, we're going to gently put our meatballs in. And we're going to cook this evenly on all sides till it turns a nice crusty brown colour. So we're going to gently turn them around. Beautiful, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so that's looking beautiful. My meatballs are just nicely cooked through and it's got a nice crunchy outer, which I like. So I'm gently going to take them out. So I'm going to put these aside now and move on to making our curry masala or gravy. Okay, so let's start making the masala for this yummy curry. In goes the oil and let that heat up. And once that's heated up, we're going to add our whole spices. And we're going to mix that through for about a minute till it releases its beautiful aroma. That smells good, so my onions go in next. We're going to cook these onions till they turn translucent. Okay, my onions are nice and translucent. So I'm going to add my ginger and garlic paste. Mix that through for a minute or so. Okay, that smells lovely. I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'm just going to mix this till it softens a little bit. Okay, as you can see, my tomatoes have softened up a bit, so I'm going to add my dry spices, starting with my turmeric, coriander, and cumin. We're going to mix that through. Okay, so my spices are nicely mixed. I'm just going to add a dash of water. Mix that through. I forgot to add my Kashmiri red chili powder. I want it to have a nice red color, or you can use paprika. So see how that now transforms the curry and gives it a nice rich red colour. It is optional, or you can use paprika, but I like the curry to have that nice colour. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat right down and put the lid on just for a couple of minutes. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 3 minutes, so let's check on it. Okay, that's looking good. Just going to have a quick taste test to see if my sauce is cooked. It's good. Add a little bit of salt. I did put salt in my meatballs, so just a tiny bit. Garam masala. I do want a little bit of a bite, so fresh chilies for me. And you can leave that out, or it's optional. Mix that through. Okay, so I've been cooking this for another minute or so, and as you can see, the oil is released on the side. So my sauce or masala is ready. Turn the heat right down, and I'm going to add some yogurt to this, so it has a nice creamy consistency. So I mix that yogurt through. Beautiful. Look at that. So just mix your yogurt through for about a minute. Okay, so the oil's released to the surface again, so I'm going to add about a cup of water. Let that come to a simmer. Okay, once that's come to a simmer, we're now going to add our meatballs back to this gravy. This smells absolutely delicious. So gently give that a mix through. And I'm just going to put the lid on for a few minutes so those meatballs absorb all those spices. Okay, so my meatballs have been simmering away for about 5 minutes. This looks good. I'm happy with the gravy and the consistency of the gravy. Now I do have a lot of other meatball recipes on my channel, so check them out. We're going to add a generous amount of coriander. Mix that through. So there you have it, a beautiful creamy chicken meatball curry. I would love to hear from you in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.